India has reported the largest spike in the number of COVID-19 cases in the past 24 hours. Highest spike in number of COVID-19 cases in India in the past 24 hours. 6,654 cases reported in the last 24 hours. 137 patients have succumbed to COVID-19 in the last 24 hours. Number of COVID-19 cases in India rises to 1,25,101. 51,784 people have recovered from the deadly virus. 3,720 deaths has been reported across the country. For more on this, I'm also connected in by my colleague Abhijit. So Abhijit, going ahead and looking at how Indian authorities are going on and handling this entire scenario, seems like as the days are going by, we are seeing a spike in the number of cases. We had seen a spike of 6,609, 6,612, and in a new high, 6,654 cases that has been reported so far since the first day since COVID-19 was reported in India. This is the largest spike that this entire country has witnessed, and Maharashtra, to say the least, has been the worst affected over here, and the number of cases in Mumbai seems to be only increasing, but the authorities have failed to take a stock of the complete situation, and it's a chaos out there in Maharashtra particularly.
Absolutely, Prajwal. Not just in Maharashtra, but around India at this point of time. Chaos is the word which clearly sums up the current situation. I won't be surprised if the Union Health Minister and also the other state ministers are having some sleepless nights at this point of time, because clearly the spike is massive, and it's on an average in the past 3 days, it's over 6,500. So clearly the numbers are on the rise, and it's not just that one state is reporting, but across India, as I just said, that the numbers are on the rise. Yes, Maharashtra continues to lead the list with over 44,000 cases. Mumbai in itself has reported over 3,000 cases in the past 24 hours. So clearly all the authorities have actually failed to take a stock of the situation, and also one needs to question at this point of time, with the number of cases rising and over 1,25,000 cases in the country, and also at the same time the number of deaths are also increasing at the same in a parallel equation, Prajwal, over here, because if you remember lockdown 1, lockdown 2, lockdown 3, the only respite, yes, there were cases which were rising at that point of time as well, but the only respite at that point of time when compared to the previous situation was that there was the number of deaths were actually pretty low, but over 100 deaths, on an average over 100 deaths is just a massive spike. And talking about the states, yes, Maharashtra is the number one state when it comes to COVID-19 cases. Then comes Tamil Nadu, then comes the national capital with over 11,000 cases. And also when you talk about Karnataka as well, if you also see the average the average cases in Karnataka has also risen. Earlier it used to be somewhere between 20 to 30, but now the average number of cases have risen from the average is over 100. So clearly the authorities are having a tough time out there. It almost looks like the people have actually agreed to the fact that yes, you have to live with the virus, but also you need to live smartly as well. Prime Minister Modi also said that, and also the other officials as well. They clearly stated that India needs to learn to live with the virus, but not by getting infected by it, Prajwal, because at this point of time, what is really important is to carry out all the major activities. And also one point to note over here, Prajwal, is the fact that since lockdown 4 or phase 4.0 has been introduced, there has been massive increase in the number of cases, not just in one state but across India overall. So was that a bad move earlier when Prime Minister Modi clearly stated that lives are more important than money at this point of time, or the economic activities? But now when all the avenues have been opened, and till 31st of May, yes, we do have lockdown 4 till 31st May, and there might be more relaxations which might come in after May 31st. So has the government resigned to the fact that yes, we need to run the country as well, and also at the same time we need to fight this COVID-19? So does India have the capability or the tools to fight COVID-19 and also run the economy at the same time? Because currently at where the situation stands, it looks highly unlikely that India is likely to balance both these equations at the same point of time. And also the WHO's prediction tally is absolutely going there. India is actually following the footsteps of what the WHO has actually said, that, and the worst part is the WHO has said that it has not yet peaked. So if the number of cases on an average, we are reporting over 6,500, 6,600, and if it's only going to rise in the days to come, then we all need to we all need to be ready, and all the medical facilities and all the paramedical staff needs to put in that more extra effort because these are only danger signs for each and every state in the country, Prajwal.